How to create an ad for the sale of cryptocurrency on the Bit.team website. Click Place an ad. Then select the sell item, select the cryptocurrency that you want to sell from the list. After that, choose the currency in which it is convenient for you to receive payment. Then choose the rate of the ad. The source of the rate can be any at your own will. And set the percentage of profit at which you want to sell the cryptocurrency, or you can enter a fixed rate. After that, you need to select the transaction limit. This is the minimum and maximum limit at which it is convenient for you to trade. Then choose the appropriate banking details from the saved ones or add a new payment system. Then you can specify a comment to the transaction and enter your wallet password. Click Create Ad. You will automatically go to the page with your active ads. Our ad has been created. All the conditions that we have specified are present here. Please note that active ads may be disabled. Check the slider so that it is in the active state. You can check the position in the buy section. Now we are waiting for a buyer who will be satisfied with our conditions.